This is a 3-in-1 princess makeup kit with diamond painting kits and princess dress up sticker book. We were sent a review from Perry Home, so let's take a closer look. First of all, I love the little case. It's like a little pocketbook, and then it opens up for all the fun inside. You've got your activity booklet here for painting and makeup in the front. So many cute designs. Oh my goodness. You've got little eyelashes and eyeballs, tiaras, bow ties and flowers and bows and more crowns, earrings. Just so fun. And then over here, you've got your diamonds, which come in a bunch of colors, but they are so teeny tiny. And your little diamond painting tool. This will help them pick up and put back down those little diamonds. Makeup brushes, and an assortment of makeup powders over here. We're gonna start out by pouring the gems into this little container. This does come out. Peel this off. Then you're gonna dip the pen into the glue. That fills up with glue. Then you want to dip it down onto the colored part. It's gonna pick it up. Then you go to one of your gem sheets. You have to peel off this protective layer, which is sticky down here. So that gem that you have on your pen is gonna just stick down wherever you want to put it. Boom. So fun. And then you can put that back on. Once you've got the makeup done, then you go back and put on the little stickers.
It matches her look.
Ooh, that's fun. A little choker. So adorable. Look at them sparkle. Oh, she's so cute. She's so pretty. What's her name?
Blossom.
She's got a bow in her hair. Wow, look at those glittery eyelashes and eyeliner.
Look, it's cherry, like cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom. That's so clever. Did you do her eyeshadow?
Yes.
And her blush?
Yes. And her hair
Cute.
strips.
Oh, I see. You colored her hair. So cute. Look at all those rhinestones. It's beautiful. Where do you think she's going in that dress? Prom. This is such a fun activity set for children who love arts and crafts, princesses, makeup, gems. A great way to get them creative and off of their screens. You know that struggle. I know I do. It's great for a birthday present, a Christmas gift, you name it. My 8-year-old girls are absolutely loving it, and I know your kiddos will too.